One thing that's interesting about Rubik's Cube is that even though there are such a large number of possible moves, states of the cube, that lots of sequences of moves will form a cycle. For example, the simplest one just being if you just keep rotating the same face, it comes back to itself. But this is also true of more complicated sequences of moves. For example, this one where I go down, across, up, down, across, up, down, across, up, down, across, up. It takes me 12 moves to bring that face back here. So I'll just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I've got close to what I had, but I actually used this trick to swap these two around in my method. I'm going to do it again. So I'll do another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once again, we've got those two back, but we've got some other things that happen. Interesting. It's a nice way to swap around a few bits, maybe. Swap these with those two. Okay, and we can do it again. Got that. And do it again. So now I've done 48. I'll do it again. 60. And after 72, it comes back to itself. There are lots of other ones like that, and I'll video them as well.